And now on to the cranks. We have got the Fit 2016 stock cranks that came with the bike. You know, I do like these, but to be honest, they are really long. Like, who would want them? And now on the pedals, we have got really small plastic pedals, and they are just like really small, got no grip. It's like, how could you ride with them? Like, you try and do a trick, they just slip off for me straight away. And now let's move on to Sprocket. Hi guys, and today we are back for another video. This one's going to be fun. I'm going to do a bike check roast on Tommy's bike, and then Tommy is going to do it on Joe's bike, and then Joe is going to do it on my bike. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with these chrome tool bars. To be honest, I am a great fan of these, but to be honest, I would cut these down because they are so wide. Look, you try and do a bar, hit your leg, bang. But you know, Tommy is a bit weird, he does like bars really wide. And let's go on to another. Moving down to the stem now. So here we have got a fit stem. It comes with the bike, and he hasn't changed it yet. I quite like it. It's got the chrome top bit on there, and you know, it would look nice if you got some jet fuel bolts for it or some chrome. But yeah, you know, let's move on to the forks. Moving on to the forks, we have got the Fit 2016 forks in red. It came with the bike. I quite like them, but to be honest, I would get a set of tool, all the chrome ones or something, you know, or snafu or something like that, because I think chrome would look really nice with the bike. But let's move on to the and down to the pegs. We have got the Colt butter pegs, and on the back we have got another one, as you can see. To be honest, I do really like these. They slide really well. I was going to get them, but then I changed my mind to get the Federal pegs. But I do really like these. I have nothing to roast about these. But now let's move on to wheels. Alright, moving on to the wheel. We have got the Fit 2016 rim in chrome, and we have got the same hub that came with the bike and the same spokes. You know, I think this does look really nice, you know, chrome with the bars and everything. And as you can see, we have got the same on the back, and he is riding a cassette, and I don't think he likes a free coaster because he's park and he doesn't like street, a bit like me to be honest. And let's move on now on to the cranks. We have got the Fit 2016 stock cranks that came with the bike. You know, I do like these, but to be honest, they are really long. Like, who would want them? And now on the pedals, we have got really small plastic pedals, and they are just like really small, got no grip. It's like, how could you ride with them? Like, you try and do a trick, they just slip off for me straight away. And now let's move on to Sprocket. Okay, now on the Sprocket, we have got the Fit Bike Co. stock Sprocket in grey. To be honest, I do like this, but like, who would want them holes to get like arrows? And now moving on to this seat post, we have got the BSA. And now moving on to this sick chrome BSD acid seat post. You know, I do really like this. It is pivotal. I do like pivotal. And then moving on to the seat, we have got the Colt seat in brown. You know, I basically do have the same as this. I do have the Colt seat, but it is in black, and I do like black big seats because when you're doing the tricks, you know, you can like pinch with your knees better and just grab it better. So yeah, now let's move on to, so now here we have got the Colt clips in brown. I do like these. They are long. They're not the extra long ones, but they are long. I do quite like these. They are a bit hard, which I really like soft ones. But the thing is with soft ones, they do wear down quicker. So I do like these ones. And yeah, no, that's it for his bike. And that's it. Okay, so that was it for Tommy's video now on his bike. If you'd please leave a like and subscribe. That would mean so much for me. I'm trying to get 50 subscribers by the end of the year. So please let me get that. And leave a comment if you'd like other people to do that. If you'd like that Joe's to do Rowan's or something like that, and then it'd be really fun. And yeah, check back in tomorrow and the next day for more videos.